The xantho protein test actually is testing for the phenyl group. This is essentially a benzene ring that's attached, and the reason that it is a test for proteins, but it also tests positive for some amino acids, is that some amino acids have that phenyl group on their R group. So for the test, you're just adding nitric acid, which is, by the way, a very strong and corrosive acid, and you're looking for a yellow color because these two will be colorless. So we're looking for a yellow color. These are the 3 amino acids that have the phenyl ring. And so we're looking at, this ring here that this has. This one is tryptophan. This one is tyrosine. That's one we're testing. One amino acid solution we're testing. And this one is phenylalanine. Phenylalanine and tryptophan are essential amino acids. That means that if you have a complete protein, remember, a complete protein has all of the essential amino acids in it. So if you have a complete protein, it will test positive with this because it has those amino acids. Other proteins may test positive as well. We are testing 2 proteins, the casein from our milk and albumin, which comes from eggs. And those are both complete proteins, so that's why they should test positive. We are also going to try to denature our proteins. To denature a protein, so denaturing means unfolding, but remember, if the protein is unfolded, proteins will start to stick to other proteins, and so you will get clumps. So these heavy metals, what they do is they bind to the proteins and then help connect and help form those clumps. So they denature the proteins, and then the denatured proteins form clumps. So what is a heavy metal ion? Because it's not just any metal will do this. Sodium is a metal ion, sodium with a +1 charge, but it will not cause it to form clumps. And the reason why is a heavy metal is, we're talking about they're large ions, and they're called, we say they're multivalent, which means that their positive charge is not just +1, it's +2, +3. That makes them more sticky. It makes them more attracted to the proteins. And so they will cause the denaturing, whereas the sodium ion is not big enough and doesn't have a strong enough charge to cause that clumping.